What if I told you that the map of the world as you know it is currently being torn apart? Africa, one of the world's most stable continents, is slowly breaking in two. This isn't new. Earth has been reshaping itself for billions of years. From the breakup of Pangaea to the drifting of the Americas, the ground beneath our feet is in constant, restless motion. But while we often think of these changes in terms of the distant past, right now in East Africa, we are witnessing the next great continental divorce. Deep beneath the surface lies the East African Rift. It's a massive geological wound stretching from the Red Sea in the north all the way down to Mozambique in the south. Geologists tell us the continent is splitting into two distinct pieces, the larger Nubian Plate and the smaller Somali Plate. They are literally pulling away from each other. The most dramatic evidence is found in Ethiopia's Afar region. In 2005, a sudden volcanic eruption at Dabahu triggered a geological event that stunned the scientific world. In just a few days, the ground split open for nearly 60 kilometers. It wasn't a slow crumble. It was a violent physical ripping of the Earth's crust. This event sparked a fierce debate among scientists. Is this split driven primarily by tectonic forces pulling the land or by massive surges of magma pushing from below? The Afar region is what geologists call a triple junction. It's a rare place where three tectonic plates are all drifting apart simultaneously, a sight almost never seen on land. The engine behind this is a massive mantle plume, a column of superheated rock rising from deep within the Earth, weakening the crust from the inside out. We can already see the impact. In parts of Kenya, massive fissures have swallowed roads and damaged homes, providing a terrifying glimpse of a continent in transition. As the gap widens and the land sinks, water from the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden will eventually come rushing in. You are witnessing the birth of a brand new ocean. This is exactly how the Red Sea was formed millions of years ago when Arabia split from Africa. History is simply repeating itself on the other side. But don't expect to see this new ocean on a map tomorrow. The plates move only about 6 to 7 millimeters per year, roughly the speed your fingernails grow. In 5 to 10 million years, the map will be unrecognizable. A new sea will separate a large island, made of Somalia and parts of Kenya, from the rest of the continent. Earth is a living, breathing planet. Continents shift, oceans rise, and the ground beneath us is writing its own future. If you want to see how the story unfolds, subscribe for more.